Completing a corrective action. Corrective action is a remedial intervention proposed to mitigate future reoccurrences of an incident. As part of the WHS module, there is a corrective action process. As soon as a corrective action is created in the system, this process is triggered. To learn more on how to create a corrective action for an incident in the system, refer to this tutorial. As a corrective action is created in the system, the process will automatically send an email to the person responsible for implementing the corrective action. This email contains all the necessary information about the incident and also has a link to an online form where the person can record notes and submit the form. Once corrective action form is submitted, a task will be generated for the WHS team to check whether the corrective action has been implemented to satisfaction. Upon satisfaction, the task can be marked as completed. This successfully ends the corrective action management process. Note: this process will run per created corrective action.